Hello students, today we have learned the English second lesson, The Gingerbread Man, page number 21. See, this is a picture of birthday parties, yes na? Yes. Here is a picture, they are given to some different kinds of things, like balloon, like cake, like table, gifts. Starting the lesson, here one question they are given. Look at this picture, are the things the singular or plural? Tick the correct words. See, table. Table is one or more. One is there, na? So we have tick to table. Balloon. Balloon one or more. More, na? So what we have say? Balloons. So we tick here. Now hat. Hat is one is there. No. All children they are wear the hat. So hats. So that is a here tick. Now cake. Cake is one or more. One. So we have only tick here. Now gift. See, look at the picture. How many gifts? More than gift, na? One more than gift. So we have tick the here. Okay. Good. Very good. This is not a lesson. This is a story. Do you like to listen the story? Yes, I know. Do you like to listen the story? So we have started the lesson. Okay, Miss Story. Here, an old man name of the John and his wife Jane live in a cottage. Today is the John's birthday. Jane decided to bake a cake for him. Your mother also bake na whenever your birthday. That's like there is a one man, old man and woman, they are live together, and man's old man name is John and his wife name is Jane. They are live together in cottage, and that day John's birthday. So Jane decided to make a cake, but when the John work in the garden, Jane goes into the kitchen. She decided to make some gingerbread. Suddenly she has an idea. She think now I have make a cake, but she decided to make some different gingerbread, and that lady start to make a gingerbread. Let me make the gingerbread in the shape of a man. I shall call him Ginger, say Jane. See. So, Jane rolls out the dough and cuts in out of the shape of this like a man. She places a small cookies for the mouth. Then she places two chocolate chips for her for the eyes, and three red cherries, 1, 2 and 3. Three red cherries for a button. Making this gingerbread, then she puts the gingerbread man in the baking tray and places the tray in the oven to bake. She waits for some time. Then she puts on her oven mitts and opens the oven door. But as she does so, the gingerbread man gets up from the baking tray and jumps down. Oh no! What happened? And you understand? That the gingerbread man, when after baking tray, he jump down and he run out the house through the open the door. Jane runs after him. Ginger, wait, don't go. We shall have you for a dinner, she says. Oh no, you can't have me for dinner, says the Ginger. Then he says, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I am a gingerbread man. And he runs away. Shout again and again, don't go. We have to dinner. But that the gingerbread man run fast and fast. What happened after we see, huh? Then Bessie Cow sees him. Hey, wait, you look tasty. She moves, but Ginger sings, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I am the gingerbread man. And he runs away. He sings songs again and again, and he fast to run. He fast run. Who? Gingerbread man. I am a gingerbread man, and he runs away. Now soon Ginger comes to river. He wants to cross it, but if he falls into the water, he will become a soggy. You know soggy? Bhig gaya. He doesn't know what to do. Suddenly he hears a voice. It is a furry fox. You know fox? Yes. Do you want me to take you across the river? Asked the furry. See, this is a furry fox, and he asked to furry, do you want me to take you across the river? Yes, but will you eat me up? Says the ginger. Then, oh no, climb on my back. I can't reach you there. When we get to the other side, you can jump off, says furry. Ginger likes the idea. He hops onto furry back. The ginger sit on the furry's back. When they get to the middle of the river, furry says, the water is deeper here. Hop onto my head. What he said? This is the water is very deep, and you sit now on my head. Then after some time, you are very heavy. My head hurts. Please sit on my snot. Snot means here. Huh? Okay, says Ginger, and sits on the furry's snot. And Gingerbread say, okay, says Ginger, and sits on a furry's snot. As soon as Ginger set a furry's snot, furry tosses him in the air and catches him in his mouth. With the big gulp, he gobbles Ginger. Thus ends the story of the gingerbread man. Do you like the story? Yes. See, once again we have make the story revision. Okay. Here is a one old man and old woman. They live in a cottage, and they are both of name John and Jane. The one day John's birthday, so Jane decided to make a cake, but she changed her mind and she made a one gingerbread. And that time she think, what we have, I call him Ginger. Okay, then what happened? She make the dough and she cut the shape of man, and she placed the placed the small cookie for his mouth. Then she placed the 2 chocolate chips for the eyes and 3 red cherries for button. Then next she put the gingerbread in the baking tray and placed tray into the oven. After what happened? After some time, when the gingerbread break, she opened the door of oven. What happened? That time that gingerbread man stand up and he start to run. Then what happened? James run after him, but gingerbread man he don't listen anything for that James. Then Ginger sing a song, run as fast as you can, you can't catch me, I am a gingerbread man. And he runs and runs fast and fast away. Afterward, who meet him? The Bissy cow. Bissy cow, and she also say to him, you are look too very tasty, and she moves away. But Ginger sings again that song, run as fast as you can, you can't catch me, I am the gingerbread man. And he runs away. After who meet him? The Pippi pig. Pippi pig tried to catch him, but that time also he ran as fast and he also sang that like song. Then afterward he reached near of the river. But what happened? He is near of the river and he falls into the water. He will become a soggy. So he don't know what to do. That time he listened to one's voice. That voice is the furry fox. You know, furry fox, he is a very clever. Yes. Do you know that the furry fox asked him, ki, I will reach to across the river. But that time gingerbread said, ki, you eat me up. But he said, no, I am not eat for you. You come and sit my back and I will reach to you there. Then the gingerbread sat on his back. After in the middle of the river, furry says, the water is deeper here. Hop on to my head. Then gingerbread jumped to the furry's head. After some time, furry says, you are very heavy. My head is hurt. Please sit on my snout. Okay, then gingerbread sit on furry's snout. What happened that time? The furry snout, when the gingerbread on the furry snout, furry toss him in the air and catch him in his mouth with a big glop. This is a gingerbread man's story. Okay, do you like this story? Yes. Thank you.